Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here and welcome back at a very fresh new episode of Tech Paradise. And a lot of you guys love my taste of music and you all requested me to make a video on the best ringtones of 2018 for your smartphone. And you are here at Best Ringtones of 2018 Part 2. The download link of all the ringtones are given below in the description. And now, let's go for it.
Matterpod.
And now I am damn sure that you all have decided one new ringtone for your smartphone, and please tell me in the comment section which ringtone you decided for your smartphone. And if you have any query related to the video, please put a comment below in the comment section and also follow me on Instagram at techparadise_. And I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.